what changes after you become a mother?
Everything.
In you, like as a person, as a personality?
Everything. In fact, I feel before becoming a mom and after becoming a mom, I'm a completely different person. In every way.
Jaise,
and I've come to terms with it also now.
Okay.
In every way. Let's start from just your thought process. There's so much more purpose. Everything you do. For me, everything that I do today, I'm constantly thinking, I want to lead by example for my daughter. What would my daughter feel? How would she feel if I did this? I'm going to just say it on this show because people must be wondering why I'm sitting here and you're sitting there, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to say it. No, I want to say it. Postpartum is something nobody really talks about. And it should be something that's spoken of much more because, and I'll tell you why. So yesterday, now people won't know this, but everyone's journey is different postpartum. It hits you in different ways, emotionally, physically, multiple ways. So for me, unfortunately, 2-3 days ago, I got a little bit of a skin situation.
Okay.
Out of the blue, random, never had something like this. And I feel earlier it would be something that would make me be like, oh my God, I'm so, why has this happened and all of that. But now I've reached this point in my life or where I am in my life, it's like, nothing can stop me. I am going to still live and continue to do what I want. So that means requesting Raj to change seats with me. Let me try, And I have to tell you, Raj, when you messaged me saying that I completely understand, my sister's been through it. I had tears in my eyes just because I felt like I just felt seen and heard in that moment. It's just that there's such an identity shift. It's such a new world. And in that moment, it's difficult for the woman going through it to give herself grace. It takes time. It's taken me, it's 6 months. I've not had this word. I don't know why I'm having it on your show. But it's a fact. It takes time. For 6 months, I've told myself, just give yourself grace. Because, sorry.
It's okay.
Because you realize you're doing so much for everyone else. You forget about the relationship you need to have with yourself. The things you need to tell yourself. Maybe for me, my whole life, I've been so other-centric that what's changed since my baby's been born is I finally found the time to nurture that relationship that I need to have with myself. And it's probably the best thing I've done for myself. After 34 years, that's how old I am, I've learned to set boundaries. I've learned not to do critical conversations with myself. Sometimes you're so overcritical about everything that you're doing, I've learned not to focus on fear. And I've had to teach myself all of these things in these 6 months.
But in these 6 months, weren't you like a lot more critical about yourself?
In the beginning, but it
what
did
were you
no
critical
good.
about?
Everything. I mean, if I read something, it would get to me.
Jaise?
If I read anything about myself, anything.
कुछ भी negative.
कुछ भी negative. किसी और के बारे में भी कुछ भी. I would go into that very defensive mode about things, or it's a spiral. Sometimes, not sometimes. Social media can be a spiral.
Yeah.
So this phase when you're sitting at home, people think I'm ghar pe to kuch nahi kar rahe ho, but it's not that, right? I think the amount of work our mothers do, any mother does, or anyone who's a homemaker in that sense, is more than anything any of us can do. And I'll tell you, I've been somebody who's worked every single day of my life. Crazy shifts, all of that. I've done the hustle, right? And all of a sudden, had a baby, wanted to take that time off. More than time off, it was just wanting to be present. Very much still excited about, the future, planning the year ahead, what I want to do film-wise, taking meetings, narrations, वो सब मेरा चल रहा था. Not initially, now. And while I've been, this journey of motherhood and work from home scenario, I feel it's been more challenging because, again, the hustle is double in this. You're literally responsible for someone's life, and suddenly you're running a whole home in a different way, a new way of how things are functioning at your home, and then you're also holding on to an identity of yourself, but it's also a new identity, right? What you want to do may be a little different. You may have, different ideas of what path you want to take, not just as an actor, maybe in other fields. This time really makes you sit, reflect, think about all the things that you want to do in life, apart from what you're even doing. Don't ask me because I'm not spilling all the beans here. But all of that together. So it's been a lot of, there's a lot that's been being created in these few months.